Welcome, my friends, to exercise number 5. Write a Java program to print the area and perimeter for a circle of radius 9. Note that the pi you can use math.py. Okay, so this is our exercise. Before we start, please like our video on YouTube and subscribe to our channel and rate us 5 stars on Udemy. Now let's go to the IDE IntelliJ. Now we have a radius 9 meters. So I will create a variable called private int radius equal to 9. Okay, this is our, I will remove private because in public static void, and we have the radius equal to 9. Now I will make the perimeter, and the area. Okay, as I told you, for the perimeter we use double because it may be having a floating number and a decimal numbers. Double perimeter equal to 2 times math.py. So in Java, we can use the math.py. So the pi is a constant in the math class, and it's equal to 3.1415 and etc. So 2 times pi times the radius. Okay, guys? So this is the way we calculate the perimeter. This is a complete mathematics. We use 2 and we have a class math.py. So then the object of this video is introducing and understanding that there is a library and a class in Java called math, and we can use these variables and the constants from them. And we multiply by the radius, which is 9, which is given. And you can also allow the user to enter it by using the scanner and a next int or next double. As I told you, the objective of this exercise, not making the scanner. The objective of this exercise is using the mathematics and the math class and library in Java. Now, the same way we make, double area equal, we know that the area here is pi r square. So in the same way, math dot, and you can use many of these, you can use cosine, hyperbolic cosine, sine, tangent, and all the mathematical calculations in Java in a library called math. But till now we are going to use only the pi here, and I will multiply by the radius square. So a very quick trick: in order to make radius square, I will multiply by radius and then multiply the same way the radius. Okay, in this way we have calculated the perimeter and the area. Now let's print out them system.out.println the perimeter equal to peri, and in the same way system.out.println equal the area, and I will make here area variable. Okay, guys, let's run and see. And here we go. In the compiler here, we have the perimeter in this way, and the area, it is 254. Okay, guys? So it's very important to understand that there is a library used for and a class package for the mathematical operations and variables and constants in Java. It's very important to make the use of these libraries instead of making the variables or making the cosine, maybe the cosine here, making a calculation for cosine. It's very fast to use math dot whatever you want to use. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you like our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate us 5 stars on Udemy. Thank you guys. See you in next videos.